When we generally see children on the road, they are normally moving in a bunch. And that's the time you feel, no, they should be a little more cautious because they are more casual. They sometimes do not understand the implications of what they are heading for. Sometimes we even see them holding a mobile phone and walking. When they have the exams, we see on the roads children are holding their books and walking to the school. They are even studying on the road.
जो टी पॉइंट्स होते हैं, ट्रैफिक तीनों साइड से आ रहा है, तो सबसे ज़्यादा फिर वहीं पे डर लगता है, चलने में भी।
साइकिल चलाने में बहुत डर लगता है।
एक ही रास्ता 1000 बार चलेंगे तो अब तो आदत हो ही गया। हम लोग कई बार ऐसे बात करते रखते तो ट्रैफिक का आवाज़ तब सुनाई नहीं देता, हम लोग इंट्यूशन पे ही चलते हैं अपने।
In case the parents are coming to drop the student, they also jump the traffic signals and they try and make sure that their ward reaches school on time, which is not a good idea. Children can't be lucky all the time.
Road safety education is not formalized. We speak about art, science, history, geography, but I think many of us come to know more about road science when we actually go to get a license. So we realize that this is really a concern on sustainability of the planet, and hence we thought it is an appropriate subject to bring to schools and educate children on this very, very sensitive topic.
Road safety is crucial for the safe future of our children.
Very good morning, all of you.
The VIA program has been launched with the support of Global Road Safety Partnership. We launched it in 2019.
On pavement, sidewalks, paths, lane, street, यही सारा infrastructure use करते हैं ना?
When we saw the success of this initiative, we launched the VIA Creative Challenge in 2022 and engaged more children across the country within the age between 10 and 18 years old.
Risky behavior and non-risky behavior. Like over the call हम बात कर रहे हैं, music सुन रहे हैं, video देख रहे हैं.
जो हमने ओरिएंटेशन की थी, उसके अंदर एक मैंने स्टोरी सुनी थी जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई। एक किसी का बेस्ट फ्रेंड आया है एंड उसने देखा नहीं कि आसपास गाड़ी आ रही है और एक्सीडेंट हो गया। तो इवन आई स्टार्टेड रिकॉलिंग इंसिडेंट्स जब इतना ऐसा होता है।
जैसे inadequate visibility है।
Or you can wear like humorous clothes, neon colored clothes.
Exactly what I want.
So, you know, the VIA Creative Challenge is actually being designed globally. In India, we adapted this program to suit the needs and the requirements of the Indian ecosystem and the Indian environment. In this program, the children, you know, let their creative juices flow. They express their views on road safety through a poster making competition. And it's unbelievable to see the creativity that they have on pedestrian road safety expressed through canvas.
हमारे ग्रुप का नाम है रोड रेवेंजर्स, साइडवॉक सेवियर,
रोडी, माइंडफुल पेडेस्ट्रियन. Mostly the topics are save earth, save water, biodiversity, save animals. This is something different.
The poster making competition, it was like super duper fun.
काफ़ी नर्वस थे कि पता नहीं कैसा होगा, क्या होगा.
तब हमारे पास आइडियाज़ आते जाते हैं कि यस ये भी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हमने ओरिएंटेशन में सीखी थी.
We ensured that it should be beautiful and it should be innovative and it should give an idea of protection on the road. Teamwork में सबसे मजा आया.
We didn't even know each other very well, but इस competition के लिए we came together and we worked very hard and it turned out pretty great.
जब हम उनको ग्रुप एक्टिविटी देते हैं इवन आफ्टर द ओरिएंटेशन, उसमें भी वो कहीं ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव एंड सीट बेल्ट का ओपिनियन रख रहे होते हैं, हम उनको तब जाके बताने की कोशिश करते हैं कि दिस इज़ ओनली द पेडेस्ट्रियन थीम. साइनेजेस का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करते हैं, ब्लाइंड स्पॉट का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करते हैं, तब उनको थोड़ा सा माइंड में क्लिक होता है, हाँ अभी हमें पेडेस्ट्रियन पर सोचना है.
We've had immense amount of participation, you know, over 20,000 students, and the winners of this get the chance to go to Paris to express their views on road safety. They'll represent our country, India, and I'm really waiting for that to happen. This is the need of the hour because this is the kind of awareness I would want my children to have also. And in fact, this should be a part of everyday training in schools.
VIA has been intentionally kept anonymous. It's not Total Energy VIA because we want to be able to gather more partners and scale up the ambitious goal set by the United Nations of reducing road deaths by half by 2030.
It was a great opportunity for us to engage all these key stakeholders, the school teachers, school managements, the officials from the motor vehicle department, the traffic police, the education department. They participated actively as mentors, as juries throughout the VIA Creative Challenge campaign.
One of the major impacts that this program is going to create is that it's going to create a virtuous cycle of change, where these students are going to go, they're going to speak to their friends, they're going to speak to their family, they're going to speak to people on the streets. It's somewhere where children take the ownership and they lead the way on road safety. So for me, I think that's really impactful because that's going to stay with them for a long time.